In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive notes in Google Keep. Archiving your notes can help keep your digital workspace organized, and it's an easy way to declutter without completely deleting your content. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Google browser and type in the URL for Google Keep, which is keep.google.com. This will bring you to the main Google Keep interface where you can see all your existing notes. Once you're on this page, look towards the top right corner of your browser window for the Google Apps icon. It's a small square composed of a grid of tiny dots. Go ahead and click on that. When you click the Google Apps icon, a drop-down menu will appear showing various Google services. Scroll through the options until you see the Google Keep icon, which looks like a small light bulb. Click on it, and this will direct you straight to Google Keep if you weren't already there. Now that you're on Google Keep, it's time to create a note if you haven't done so already. Simply click on the Take a Note area at the top of the page and enter any text, lists, or even images you'd like to jot down. Once you're done creating your note, make sure everything you need is written down before moving to the next step. After finalizing your note, you'll see several action icons at the bottom of the note. Look for the little icon that looks like a downward arrow pointing into a box. This is the archive button. Click on it and your note will be sent to the archive section. Let's say you want to see all your archived notes later. Just look to the left hand side of the Google Keep interface where you'll find a menu. You'll notice the archive option there. Click on it to access all your archived notes. This is a great way to revisit things you've stored away without them occupying the main note-taking area. Archiving in Google Keep allows you to manage your notes without any risk of losing important information. The archived notes remain readily accessible but out of sight, keeping your main workspace clutter-free and focused on current tasks or thoughts. This wraps up our quick guide on how to archive in Google Keep. By following these simple steps, you'll have a more organized and efficient note-keeping system. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this was helpful. Whether you're using Google Keep for personal notes or professional projects, archiving can be a crucial tool for maintaining order and ensuring that nothing important slips through the cracks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials, and see you in the next video.